Thank you all for being able to join us on such a short notice. That's really appreciated. I'm just gonna let in the last participant.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. So my name is Anneline Eriksen, and I'm the president of the Norwegian Academy of Science and Letters. And it is my pleasure to tell you that our board has just decided that you are the 2026 Kavli laureates in neuroscience.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
What good company, if I may say.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
And
oh my.
Congratulations.
it's nice to like and admire your
Yes.
fellow. Wow.
What a brilliant choice.
Oh my goodness. That's fantastic.
Let me read the citation for you. For the discovery of local protein translation in neurons and its importance for brain development and plasticity. So can each of you take turns and give me your reactions to the news?
Elation, I would say. Delight and elation. Tickled.
And deeply honored. Deeply
Yeah.
honored.
Absolutely. What an amazing honor. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
And
Thank you.
and it's so great to share this with everyone else on this call. It's just fantastic. Thank you so much.
Gratitude. I have to add gratitude. I'm incredibly grateful to committee members and to you.
For recognizing the work. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, fantastic. So congratulations again.